Okay, so our task to work out the lowest common multiple is to multiply 19 by 34. Well, actually, we're multiplying 19 by 2 by 17, but 2 times 17 is 34. So essentially, we're multiplying 19 by 34. So you can do it the long multiplication way, but I want to show you the expanding and factorizing way as well, because it connects with algebra, and you don't tend to use long multiplication. It's not a very transferable skill. So the first thing we're going to notice is we're going to take 19 and we're going to make a note that 19 is simply 10 plus 9. And really what I'm doing there is I'm separating it into the number of tens and the number of units. And I'll do the same with 34. So 34 is equal to 30 plus 4. So it's 3 tens and 4 units. So when we do 19 times 34, well, that's the same thing as doing 10 plus 9 multiplied by 30 plus 4. We know how to expand out double brackets because whenever we do like a plus b multiplied by c plus d, and we get a times c plus a times d plus b times c plus b times d. So that's really what we're doing. So we're going to get so let's just highlight them so as we can more easily follow what's happening. I'm just going to color code the A, and there's the equivalent of my A there. And then there's the B, and there's the B here, and that would be my 30. So the 10 and the 30 are, so the A and, oh wait, no, I've done it wrong, haven't I? It's this one. Oh, yeah, no, that's right, yeah. Okay, and let's do a yellow. And we'll do pink. I've missed out the C. I've missed out that C there. Have I done something wrong? Why have we... Oh, there's the other C, right, okay. So A times C, then B times C. And the C is there. I need to get the pink again. Okay, so we're going to do A times C, so 10 times 30, and that's 300. And then we're going to get A times D, so that's going to be 10 times 4, which is 40. So you can see how the reason why I divided it up in these ways is because it's a lot easier to multiply these sums. Right? 10 times 3 isn't hard, and so on. And then we're going to multiply B times C, which is the 9 times the 30. Well, 9 times 3 is 27, so 9 times 30 is 270. And then we're going to multiply the B times the D, so the 9 times the 4, and that's going to be 36. So now it's just a case of adding them together. I probably would add the 300 to the 270, giving me 570. And then we'll add the 40 to the 36.
646.
646. Oh, okay, well done. I'm just going. Yeah, all right. I'll. So if I could then say 570, add 40, which would be 610. Yeah, good. And then you add the 36, it gives me 646. So that's a way to multiply large numbers without using long multiplication instead using factorizing and expanding. You can do a similar sort of trick, which essentially is the same thing, but laid out in a way that you might find easier. And this method can also be used for expanding double brackets in algebra. So we've got the 10 and the 9, and we got the 30 and the 4. And then we just put the like, so that'd be 10 times 30, so that'd be the 300. The only advantage of doing this is that you don't end up accidentally doing 10 times 3 twice and missing out one of the other ones. The squares kind of show you which, to make sure that you do every one of them and you don't do any of them twice. So that's another way. Then you still have to add them up like we did down here. So that would be the answer to the question then. Okay.